Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure GitLab CI pipeline for React builds, full guide step by step clearly. To configure a GitLab CI pipeline for React builds, begin by creating a new repository in GitLab. Next, navigate to the root directory of your React project. Create a new file named .gitlabci.yml. In this file, define the stages of your pipeline. Start with the stages directive. List stages like build, test, and deploy. Now, define the build job. Set the stage to build. Specify the image to use, such as Node 14. Add the script section to run your build command. Typically, this would be npm install followed by. Next, define a job for running tests. Set the stage to test. Use the same Docker image. In the script section, include npm install and npm test. To ensure coverage, you may want to configure your React app to collect test coverage reports. Add a third job for deployment. Set the stage to deploy. Specify the conditions under which the deploy job runs, like after successful builds and tests. In the script section, add commands to deploy your React app to the specified environment. You may use npm run deploy or an appropriate deployment command based on your setup. Once all jobs are defined, save the .gitlabci.yml file. Commit and push your changes to the GitLab repository. Now navigate to the CI/CD section of your project in GitLab. You should see the pipeline start running automatically. Monitor the progress of each job in the pipeline. Check for any errors and troubleshoot as necessary. Once the pipeline finishes, verify that your changes have been deployed successfully. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.